How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the Cut by Hand series. I hope you guys are all having a great day, because today we're not doing any clearing. As I may have hinted in the last episode, we're going to be fixing something instead. In episode 11, Dan and I started to build a roll right after the second portion of the downhill starts on the trail, but after riding it, modifying it,
not the best to be right here. Yeah, we can do that.
and then riding it again, we decided it just wasn't going to work. We then took it out only to find that there's still not enough speed to hit the berm jump, so we need to find some kind of solution. That's when another friend of mine suggested that we just build up the hill before at another foot, level it off at the top, and then slowly grade it down after that. I couldn't think of a better way to fix it, and I didn't want to take out the berm jump, so we settled with his idea instead. To start, I need to finish raking up all the loam. That way there's no organic material decomposing in the soil, which makes the ground a lot softer and keeps it from compacting. With that done, we can now start by filling in this side and leveling it as we go. For my dirt supply, I just dug a hole off to the side of the trail and used this extra garbage bin I have to transport dirt and other things, such as rocks and tools. With the hill now rideable on one side, it's time to start working on building up the other side. Here, I'm just dumping buckets of dirt, making it level, and then repeating. Speaking of dirt, my last dirt supply ran dry, so I need to grab dirt from somewhere else. I figured that digging right here, next to where we're building, would be the easiest and most convenient spot. Plus, I don't need to take the dirt very far. The only problem out here is there's a lot of loam, so in order to access the dirt, we need to get through the loam and roots first. This can easily be done with just a rake and a bit of time, but I've got a sawzall and a hand pick with me to speed things up. can start shaping what the wall will look like. In other words, I need to start digging a lot more dirt. Unfortunately, this is where my GoPro dies, so I'll be ending it here. I didn't get to test it out yet, but I'll save that for the next video, and hopefully by then it will have rained too.